Alright, straight to the point. This is an unboxing of Airpods Knockoff. Not a proper review, but let's carry on. When I saw Airpods commercial, I was very mesmerized of how technology have evolved, from speaker to wired earphone and then this wireless earbud. And it's from Apple, very high quality Apple, and I know that I want it so bad that my wallet won't afford it, because Apple is known for quality and also expensive. So months after, there is a knockoff, and I bought this Inpods 12 TWS or i12 TWS. And because there is a lot of Airpods knockoff nowadays, you can't even tell if the brand's on the box and the unit that you receive is from the same company. Yeah, this is not i12 TWS but Inpods Macaron. How knockoff these Airpods can be even knockoff is a knockoff. So I've been using it for a couple months now, and it is usable. For those who want to flex the knockoff Airpods, sound quality was usable, mic was usable, and everything I can say is usable. Yeah, that's the review. What do you expect from a below $10 earpods? So please don't you ever compare this to AirPods. But if you have a very low budget, and I mean a very low budget, and hate wired earphones because it tangles and everything, yeah, just bought a pair of this and you'll be fine. That's it. That's the review. Thank you.